and a little bit more. They don't know how you like it. Checkerboard Louis V, I'm so fresh and so clean clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans.
What's good, YouTube? Today is the day after my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna go into the shoe store that I get some of my shoes from and see if I can find her a pair of shoes for her birthday that she would like. But when it comes, and she's looking for a pair of Jordans. You probably can't hear me, but when it comes to Jordans, here's the thing: she wears a size 7.5, and it's so hard to find her size, so I don't really think I'm gonna have any luck. And she's looking for like a specific shoe. It's like a colorful Jordan. I'm gonna do my best, but I can't promise a miracle. It's literally gonna take a miracle if I get her shoe size. So we're about to go in here and see what we can find. All right. Whew. It's a nice looking bike. What's good, YouTube? It's QueenSit. I'm back. So we just went into the store and we got the shoes. So a miracle has happened. I know I said we probably weren't gonna get her size, but we got them. So my mom should be super happy. I don't know. She saw them already and she said she loved them. So we're gonna see. Let's see. These are the shoes that she wanted. All right. So I'm gonna strap these to the bike. I'm gonna show you how we gonna do it, and we're gonna keep this going. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is put the bag on the seat. Boom. If you ain't got the bag on the seat, you're not talking about anything. Put the bag on the seat. I got the straps already on here. don't think you can hear me. Hey, so now we at the mall. I gotta return some headphones. After this, getting ready to link up with one of the homegirls, get something to eat, something to taste. I gotta bring my bag in with me though. The shoes I just bought my mom, they have to come with me because I can't leave them on my bike. So that's fine though. So let's see what we can find. Boom, and we are done with the mall. Return my earphones. Let me tell y'all what happened. Okay, so I bought some Beats Flex earphones because I had 5 pair AirPods, and the AirPods, I keep losing them. 5 pairs, that's a lot of money. So I said, let me get the Beats Flex. They have the strings around the neck, and they're magnetic. So when I ride, if I forget to take them out, like what happens with my AirPods, they'll still be there. So the problem is my AirPods were falling out of my ears because they're so comfortable that I forget they're there. And so I'm losing earphones. So I bought the Beats Pro. So I just returned the Beats Flex. I bought the Beats Pro, and those hurt my ears. So they wrap around the ear, but they're very uncomfortable in the inside after about 2 hours. And I like to keep my earphones in my ear a long time. So here we are. I just ordered some AirPods Pro. And what I'm going to do this time is set an alarm. So at 3 o'clock every day I get off of work, I'm going to set my alarm so that it reminds me to take my earphones out. So hopefully that solves the problem. If not, then I'm out of luck. But I think it should help. And yeah, that's my story. And I'll tell you a little secret. So I don't pay full price for a lot of my items. What I do is go to Amazon and go to the refurbished or renewed section or used. I don't care if earphones are used. I'll clean them. It's alcohol. And they're not even dirty when you get them. They look brand new. So that's just a tip. The Beats Pro are normally $250, and I got them for $109. So the AirPods Pro are normally $250, and I got those for $140 plus tax was $160. So Amazon renewed section is your friend. All right, so let's hop back on this bike. Strap everything back. I just gave you some quick tips. Like and subscribe to this video. This might be the end of the vlog, I don't know, but actually I think I'm going to go take my mom her shoes and let's see if she likes them. All right, and this part of the video, no music, so you can hear the engine of the Stage 2 2019 Road Glide. All right, we're going to hear everything. I
over to my mom's house and take her the shoes, and she absolutely loves them. She wore them for her birthday. She wore them the day after her birthday. So I think it was a successful birthday gift. Thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. It's QueenSit and I'm out.